Hello everyone, greetings from IBS family. Hope you all are doing well at home. Take care of yourself and study also. Complete your home assignment, whatever teachers are giving to you. Now, do you remember what we did last night? Yes, you remember? Good. That is sentence we did. What is a sentence? What I am speaking to you all, you are able to understand? Yes, you are able to understand. That is the sentence. So, sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. It also expresses your views, your thoughts. So, let us revise that sentence again and then we will switch over to our another chapter, that is articles. Sentence. A sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought. So, see the example first. Now, can you see the groups of words over here? Red, apples, are, the. These are only the group of words. Thus, they are giving you any kind of sense, any kind of meaning? No, they are not giving you any kind of meaning. So, these are not a sentence. This is only a jumbled words. Same thing. See the next one. The apples are red. Here the words are same, but they are put in the correct order. The apples are red. So they are giving you the meaning. Now you have understood what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that gives you a complete sense. That is called as a sentence. Now, do you remember what a sentence must have? Yes, it must have a subject and a predicate. Subject is what we are talking about in this sentence. Let us take the example of this sentence only. What we are talking about? We are talking about apples. So here apples become, yes, it is a subject. And what we are talking about apples? They are red in color. So it will become a predicate. In making a sentence, you must remember 3 points. What are that 3 points? Do you remember that 3 points? Yes. First, a sentence must begin with a capital letter. When you start a sentence, it must have a capital letter. It should start with a capital letter. A sentence must end with a full stop. So, when the sentence gets complete, when the sentence is telling you something, then you have to put a full stop or a question mark. When the sentence is asking you something, then put a question mark. Third is a sentence must have a subject and a predicate. So, subject and predicate are two important parts of the sentence. If anyone is missing in it, then that won't be a sentence. So, remember all these 3 points for making a sentence. Let us revise again the points. Sentence must begin with a capital letter. Sentence must end with a full stop or a question mark. A sentence must have a subject and a predicate. I hope you all have understood the chapter. Now today's chapter is about articles. What do you know about articles? We have done before in the first class also. Let us see what are articles. Can you see a, n, the? These three words, a, n, the. These words are called as articles. Now, can we consider them as three brothers? Yes. A, N, the are the three brothers. They can be called as three brothers also. Now, today we are going to do only about two brothers. That is A and N. In the next class, we will do about the, where these A and N can be used. Now see the picture. You can see a picture of a girl. What is placed before it? A. A is placed before girl. See the picture. It is an orange. What is placed before an orange? An. So why we are placing A and N before? And where we are placing these two brothers? Let us see. Read the following. What is this? Read it out. An aeroplane. An owl. An engine. Now before aeroplane, what we are placing? An. Before owl, what we are placing? N. Before engine, we are placing N. Now next group of words, see. A bus, a fish, the Taj Mahal, the moon. Before a bus, we have placed a. Before fish, we have placed a. Before Taj Mahal, we have placed the. Before moon, we have placed the. Now, why can't we place N before a bus or N before a fish? Can it be done? No. So, there are certain rules for placing A and N. Both these brothers cannot be placed together. Let us see the rule first. Use A before consonant sound. When the words start with the consonant sound, you have to place A before it. Now, what is a consonant sound? How many alphabets are there in English? Yes, there are 26 alphabets, and these 26 alphabets, they are divided into a consonant and a vowel. So, A, E, I, O, U. Do you remember these? A, E, I, O, U. What are these 5 alphabets? These are called as vowels. And leftover letters or alphabets like B, C, D, F, G till Z, they are called as consonant. When the word is starting with the consonant sound, we are placing A before it. See the example. A cat, a dog, a girl, a boy, a tree. Cat is a noun. Sound starts from K. C. C is a consonant. Dog. The sound starts from D. And D is a consonant. Girl starts from G. G is a consonant. And a consonant sounds like G. Boy. B. B is a consonant. And sounding word is B. T. T is a consonant and it sounds as T. So a cat, because cat starts with consonant. So we are placing a before it. Dog. Why we are placing a dog? Now you tell me. Yes, D is a consonant. So we are placing a before it. Now you have understood. So do it with me. Girl. Girl is a consonant. So what you are going to place? A. Boy is again a consonant sounding word. So what you are going to place? A before it. Tree starts from T and it sounds as T. So what you are going to place before it? A. So we are going to revise it again. Use a before a consonant sounding word. Always place when the consonant sounding words are there, a before it. Now your second rule. Use N before vowel sounding words. What you have to use before a vowel sounding words? N. Like, what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Now see examples. An apple, an engineer, an ice cream, an umbrella. Apple, it is starting from A. So what you are going to place before it? N. Now tell me why we are putting N before an apple. Why? Because it is starting from a vowel and it is a vowel sounding word. So we are placing N before apple. Come to second one. Now check it out. It is right. An engineer? Yes. It is right because engineer is starting with a vowel that is E. Therefore, we have placed N before it. Do you love to eat ice cream? Yes, everybody do. Everybody loves to eat ice cream. And ice cream starts with a word I. And I is a vowel. So what we are going to place? N before it. Umbrella. It is starting with U and sounding as A. So what we are going to place here? N. An umbrella. So you have understood? Let us revise again. Revise with me together. We are going to use an before vowel sounds. Examples are an apple, an engineer, an ice cream, an umbrella. Let us do some exercise where you are going to put A and where you are going to put N. First of all, read all the sentence, then we will discuss. All have read the sentence? Yes. Let us discuss the answers of it. Elephant. It is a elephant starts with E and E is a vowel and the sound is A, elephant. So what you are going to place over here? N, right? An elephant. Car. Car is starting with a consonant that is C. So before that what you are going to place? Think what you are going to place before a consonant. Yes, before a consonant you are going to place a. So answer is a car. Who teaches you? Yes, teacher. So before a teacher, what you are going to place? a teacher. Why? It is starting with a consonant T and sounding as T. So you are going to place a teacher. Onion. It is starting with, tell me it is starting with, yes, O. And O is what? It is a vowel. So what you are going to put? N. Right answer. Interesting story. Interesting is the word and it is starting from I. So I, before I, you are going to place N. An interesting story. So all these fill-ups are clear to you all. I hope it is clear. Let's do another exercise with the pictures. Find out the pictures also and we are going to place A and N. Now see, first one, flower and dash butterfly. Where you can find flower? Yes, at number 9. This is the picture of a flower at number 9. So in the box you will write 9 and before flower what you will write? A. Why A? Because starting from consonant F. In the same way, what you are going to place before a butterfly? A. Because starting with a consonant B. Now where you can find bus and a kite together? At number 5. So in the box you will write number 5 and in the gaps you will write a bus and a kite. Why we are writing a bus and a kite? Tell me. Yes, we are writing a bus and a kite because kite and bus both are the words. They are starting from consonant. Now see, the next picture is about pencil and a star. Where is your pencil? Where is the star? Yes, at number 8 you can find a pencil and a star. So put in the box number 8. Before a pencil and before a star, what you will write? A pencil and a star. Because both are starting from a consonant P and S. Now find out where is I and where is hand. This, I and hand. So these are at number 2. So in the box put number 2. And before I you will write I-E. So it is a vowel. So what you are going to place? N. And before a hand, A. An eye and a hand. In the same way, find out fish and starfish. This is the picture, fish and a starfish. At box, in the box you are going to put number 1. A fish and a starfish. Find out man and violin. This is the man and the violin and it is there. This picture is at number 3. So in the box put number 3 and write before a man and a violin. In the same way, next one, apple and cupcakes. See this picture, apple and cupcake, 10th one. So in the box you will write 10 and before apple, an apple and a cupcake. Where do you found find this picture of a clown and balloon? At number, I am not getting the answer. Yes, be loud. Yes, at number 6. At number 6, you can find the picture of a clown and a balloon. So, a clown and a balloon. Same way, tree and frog. Tree and frog. Green color in the picture. Can you see? Yes. Can you see? At number 7, a tree is there and a frog is there. So, you will put in the box 7 number and you will write a tree and a frog. Why a tree and a frog? Because tree and frog, they are starting from a consonant. Now, where you can find hive and bee? At number what? At number 4. At number 4, you can find a hive and a bee. So, you will write a hive and a bee, and in the box, you will write number 4. So, you have enjoyed doing this exercise. I have enjoyed telling you all. A colorful picture in the exercise and a lovely exercise. Na? Hope you have understood the chapter articles and we have done a and n. In the next class, we are going to do the. Another brother of a and n is the. So, we will start with the. I hope you have understood the video lesson and enjoyed the video lesson. Till then, we meet. Take care of yourselves. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye-bye.